What up? What up? We're back at it today. All right, so we're gonna talk.
Wonder what happened.
I don't know. This thing kicked me out real quick. All right, but we're back at it. Let me see if you can see my screen. Screen number 2. All right, could you see it?
Yeah.
All right. My bad, guys. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, we are live streaming and we are on Zoom right here with Oasis Trading Club family member. So Don, just introduce homie real quick. How long you been on the Telegram, bro?
Since about February of this year.
Nice, nice. Who got you in the chat?
Shout out to Raul. Probably ain't even here right now, but yeah, he's the one that got me.
Yeah, boy RJ. Yeah, he got a bunch of people on there. A lot of the people he got on there are making money, bro. I know. But that's what's up, man. Glad you're in the fam. Glad you're joining me right here on this Zoom, just you and me, brody. But we're gonna start off with this NFTs, going over what's been going on, and then we're gonna end it off with Bitcoin and what I see happening next. So it has hit Plan B's target at $63,000. That is major. 63K. I think that we are definitely gonna go above his target, as I initially said. October 1st, I said it. I said we're gonna go above. I don't see it lasting 30 days. And even on the 10th, I said there's no freaking way it's gonna last 20 more days. This thing is gonna break through. It's gonna hit it probably in the next 7 to 10 days. I said that on the last video, Bitcoin to 100K. Check it out. So it's freaking just going right on point. Beautiful, beautiful chart. But again, let's go with these NFTs. So somebody on the chat asked about NFTs and how to get on them. Exactly, you know what I'm saying? Like, how do you buy them? And I feel him. I was in the same freaking place not too long ago, trying to figure out how the heck does this even work? What the heck do you even do? So look, this breaking it down. We're gonna go through OpenSea, which is one of the marketplaces. We're gonna go through Rarible, another marketplace, Immutable X, another marketplace for NFT, and we're gonna go and end it with OpenSea, Rarible. Oh, I'm missing Solana art. I'm freaking missing Solana art. So we're gonna go and put Solana art on here. That way we have all of them. All right. So there's a bunch of marketplaces for NFTs, and of course, Coinbase jumps after sign up numbers for NFT marketplace. All right. So they announced that they're opening OpenSea competitor, but this shit is gonna be freaking crazy. This shit is gonna be crazy. OpenSea right now is the #1 market for NFTs, and OpenSea has 300,000. They put an extra zero there. They tripping. It has 300,000 users on OpenSea. All right, so that is the biggest marketplace at the moment. Coinbase has 1.35 million people. So it has 4 times the amount of people on the waiting list right now. That's just on the waiting list. Once it actually opens up, there's gonna be over 2 million easily just jumping on. So that is 2 million. Now you're looking at 6 times more the people than OpenSea. So watch out for Coinbase. it's gonna be insane. Whatever NFT comes out on their marketplace as the Genesis pieces. Genesis just means the beginning pieces. Definitely gonna be major. I'm gonna be looking to mint one. What does that mean? Like mint. Whenever you mint one is whenever you make it. You're the first one to make it. They go and release these NFTs like a ICO or a IPO or either one of those. So it's kind of the same. They release it at mint. So it means that you can go and if there's some that are hyped, there's only 10,000 of them and there's like 100,000 people trying to buy them, then I'm saying it just luck. It's about luck at that point. It's about luck. You got to be on it, and it's about luck. If you get, sometimes they do raffles. Sometimes they put you on a little waiting room, and then they just select the people or a number. And if you get picked, then lucky you. So point is, once you get picked, you have to have money in that wallet. So what do I mean by that? So every single marketplace, OpenSea, Rarible, you need a certain wallet to buy there. On any marketplace that is Ethereum based, because OpenSea, Rarible, you buy with Ethereum on there. It's an Ethereum NFT marketplace. So you have to have a MetaMask wallet, which is right here, MetaMask. So you have to have a MetaMask wallet in order to transact with Ethereum. So this is my MetaMask, and I could send money to any marketplace that you can buy with Ethereum. So that's how you go and do it on OpenSea. This shoe right here that I was just showing is a FIWO shoe. I was trying to buy one personally. I was trying to buy one of these little dancing monitos. I'll show you right now. Man, I was trying to buy this little dancing monito, and I tried to tell one of my boys about it, see if he was interested, so that we could do a little business together. And he decided not to.
Oh, that shit has been popular, bro.
Bro, this thing is out of there, bro. Oh, I made like 4 videos on this because it's the shit. And
Is
I
that
told him,
that guy from Cali? I can't. What's his fucking name? The guy that designed that fucking.
oh yeah, Tommy Lee or something like that, or because it's 3 of them. So it's 3 people, and these fools are just going hard, bro, hard. You can actually forge. It's called forging. So you can forge these shoes. So once you own this little NFT, you can make the actual physical shoes twice a year. I think you can make them, and these shoes are going for as low as 15,000 right now, bro. So you can literally make 30,000 a year. Just print out 30,000 because you could just make these shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like what, bro? This man. So I told my boy, I was like, bro, I know it's a $40,000 NFT, but with this NFT, I explained everything to him, and he decided that he was gonna buy it, and at the last minute he backed out of it. So whenever my boy backed out of it, I was like, oh, come on, man, that would crush my heart. I was so excited that he had decided, to go with it, and we were gonna buy the NFT, and I was gonna mint another 3 NFTs, a whole another thing that we were gonna do, right? But he decided to back out of it, and I was just crushed, man. So it was at 13 Ethereum. 13 Ethereum. Just in 2 weeks. All right, just in 2 weeks, it already went up 3.39 Ethereum floor price. So he would already, right here on this investment, we would already be up over $10,000 in profit in 2 weeks, just on this NFT alone. Like, bro, are you serious? So definitely wish I had that much Ethereum so I could buy it my damn self. Man, 13 Ethereum was a steal. It was a freaking steal. So that is how you buy on OpenSea. You have to have the MetaMask wallet. Go to Rarible, same concept. Whatever you want to get on here, you have to get it with Ethereum. So right here, I actually have I actually have one NFT shirt, Bitcoin shirt for sale. So we'll see. We'll see how this ends up turning out. I posted it. I don't even know, maybe like a month ago. So we'll see. My first NFT that I made, I think is pretty cool. I have fun doing it. So I mean, just posted it and we'll see how it goes. So that is Rarible as well on Ethereum. So a MetaMask wallet or any Ethereum compatible wallet will do. So we go to Immutable X next. And on Immutable X, we got same thing, Ethereum, but on Immutable X, you have to connect your wallet and then you have to send your Ethereum into Immutable X and transform it into Immutable X. So you have to transform your Ethereum into Immutable X, and then you can buy inside of Immutable X with your Immutable X Ethereum, and you get no fees, 0 fees. The only fee you get is when you send the Ethereum into Immutable X. So that's pretty freaking cool. But yeah, this is a couple of things I've already bought on here. A bunch of little things that I have no clue what is gonna happen in the future, but I have enough of a clue to think that there is going to be an upside. So we'll see how much profit I get with all these little NFTs. And then we go to FTX. So FTX is another marketplace. Right now, it's a huge competitor that's about to go crazy because you can trade not only Ethereum like Rarible and OpenSea, you can only buy with Ethereum. So the project has to be an Ethereum platform minted project. I have a couple of Ethereum projects, as you can see, and I also have some Solana projects. So let's say you wanted to go to Immutable X. In order for you to get your stuff in Immutable X, your wallet is here. You don't have to download anything over here. But on FTX, you have to download their own wallet. So you have to download their own wallet. And like I said, they're gonna go crazy because you can buy Ethereum stuff, you can buy Solana stuff, and I forgot what else. So they're integrating all of them. They're not being racist against coins. So you can buy Solana art NFT with Solana or Ethereum NFTs with Ethereum. And that's just major. That just makes it way easier. You don't have to keep jumping around. You can hold all of them in one single place. And Tom Brady, the GOAT of football, is a part owner of this company. This shit's gonna be crazy. FTX is gonna be insane. But yeah, so Solana art, this is the last one right here that I'm gonna show you. Cardano, I think, is about to launch its own NFT marketplace as well. So all of these coins, they are essentially Ethereum competitors. They're they're like Ethereum. You can build all this stuff inside. So yeah, Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, Cardano. Just buy all of them. We don't know which one is gonna be the one that overtakes it all, but just hold them all. Just hold them all, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, with that being said, let's go to the charts. So XYO, damn, XYO with the pump, with the retest. Come on, beautiful, beautiful. So let's go to BTC, 61,650. So the ETF got approved. I'm not sure if everybody has heard, but it is approved. It is for sure confirmed. It's done. So that's major. What does that really mean? That means that shit's about to go crazy. That means that big institutions, the big money, the big wealth, they're about to be able to go in with enough liquidity into these markets because the liquidity is being made by thin air. Just like they're printing out money, that's what ETF futures mean. They're backed by by the government's word, by paper, by whatever, right? So it's not the best thing for crypto. If they were backed by actual Bitcoin, just like back then when the dollar paper was actually backed by physical gold, that's when shit was real, right? That's when shit was cool. So you know, it's not like the best, but at the same time, it's not the worst thing that could happen because there's gonna be a lot of leverage going in. So there's gonna be a lot of pumping in my point of view. So Plan B's target was 63,000. We have already kissed it. We like literally just kissed it, like 63K, just on point. So I'm thinking we're gonna consolidate a little bit, but ultimately we still have, what's today? The 5th, bruh, we still have 15 more days to go. Yeah, yeah. So in 15 days, what can happen? Let's measure it. 15 days. 15 days will be right here. All right, so then right here. All right, so in 15 days, what can we do? What can we do? Mess around, go crash a little. Oh man, we have to hold above 59,000. We have to hold above 59,000 in order to smash through that 70K level, you know? So, okay, so in the next 15 days, we could either see a major retracement to 59K, and then the next month we could potentially go lower and kiss 51,500 or so, and then bail the freak out past 70K. So right now, retesting 59, breaking 70. If we retouch 59 and we break below 59, the next zone is 51,500, and then we would have to go and bounce from here. So either scenario, we are breaking through Plan B's target. I think that he might be right on us closing around 63K. I think he freaking did it again, because I could definitely see a lot of consolidation here. But hey, I don't know. You know what I mean? This is just my point of view. This thing could just keep on booming right now with this ETF news and all of this hype. But usually, just like my boy said earlier, buy the rumor, sell the news. So the rumor has got it going, but now the news has actually came out. So sell the news, right? So we'll see how this goes. But Plan B, in my point of view, right now, I think he's definitely right. We're gonna close around 63,000. Consolidation there, retesting 59K, 60K level. Hopefully, we can hold above that level and just keep it pumping. But if we manage to break through that level, we are back inside of this shoulder zone. So we are most definitely gonna probably see 53, 53, 51 if we break through. Man, everything is going crazy. Bitcoin pumping, Bitcoin breaking 70K. Some altcoins are gonna go in 3 to 5x just when that action happens. I'm telling you, it might take it a week or so after, but whenever 70K breaks, some of these altcoins are gonna start paying out ridiculous, and a lot of people are gonna start getting out because you're already getting paid. But buckle up, because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. But damn, shit is about to go crazy. It's about to go crazy. 88K easily. We'll see when the divergence starts popping up. But excited for what's coming next. You got any questions, Ivan? Cardano?
Yeah, you think Cardano's gonna be one of those that forex when Bitcoin hits
Oh
that
yeah.
70 mark.
Yeah, definitely gonna be one of the ones. Cardano right now has a lot of its major projects that are finally gonna come out. So just with
Hey,
that, is gonna be huge. It has. I made a video on Meld. Meld is an Aave competitor. You know about Aave?
I've heard of Aave. I was wanting to ask you more about it because I just heard of it, but I don't know much about it.
So Aave is part of a DeFi sector. Inside of
Okay.
crypto, you have the sector like Ethereum that you can. It's a marketplace. Is you can build NFTs, apps, and smart contracts, and all of that on those kind of platforms, right? Something that you can build inside of them, other than NFTs and other than dApps and other than DEXs, decentralized exchanges, decentralized applications, NFTs. Another thing you can build inside of them is DeFi. So DeFi applications is decentralized finance applications, which means that applications that let you lend people money, that let you borrow money, and stuff like that. But instead of going to a bank, you don't have to go to a bank and ask them permission or check your credit or anything like that. You have to just have enough leverage to get a loan. So if you want to borrow, let's say $100, you got to have $200 worth of crypto. You don't want to cash out your crypto. So you know what? I'll hold your crypto. I'll lend you the money, and then you pay me back and a little bit of interest, and I'll give you your crypto back. You know, so that's the kind of things that they're doing on DeFi. On DeFi, you're also getting paid interest now. So when the bank would pay you 0.05%, some of these DeFis are paying like 20%, like crazy freaking numbers, bro. So you're getting
That's
less than a percent at the bank, and in a DeFi application, you could get up to 20%, 5% keeping it chilling, bro. So DeFi is going crazy. Aave, going back to Aave, Aave is the number one DeFi application right now, and it lives inside Ethereum. So Cardano is a competitor to Ethereum. You can build stuff inside of there too. It has a huge community, huge potential. And now they're building their own Aave, their own DeFi application. But it's there's talk, there's rumors that it's gonna be better than Aave. So if if Cardano is bringing applications that can potentially be better than the ones that are running it right now in Ethereum, then ADA can potentially be priced, who knows, maybe similar to Ethereum, maybe in the hundreds, maybe in the thousands of dollars. That's long term, that's on a crazier scale, but just keeping it chilling right now, just keeping it realistic, $10 to $20 in ADA. $10 to $20 an ADA in this bull run, definitely a possibility. So I'm not tripping on it. I'm holding this for a longer term, but I'm definitely gonna cash out whenever I see around $8 to $12 ADA. And if it keeps on going higher, I'm okay with it because I know that ultimately it's gonna crash and it's gonna come all the way back down to maybe $3, $5, or just depends how high it goes. It's gonna retrace 80, 90%. So whenever it retraces at 80, 90%, I'll buy in again. So that's just me personally. So right now at $2.20, I see it easily hitting $4, whenever we break out of the 75K Bitcoin area and everything just starts following it. So $3.50 to $4 area on ADA is definitely what is about to happen. If you see it break out of this $4 zone, we are outside of this whole barrier, outside of this whole channel, and we have started a higher high. So from here, $8, just keep doubling it. $8 from this $4 area, $8 from this $8 zone, man, that's where you hit 16 to $20. So yeah, I think ADA
272 right now, ADA.
Weapon?
Uh, 8 is at 272 right now, or is it still in the
No,
220?
220. No, it's at 220 right now.
Yeah, I need to get that shit now then before that fucker takes off on me.
Yeah, bro. This is
I'm gonna
really
buy
good.
more.
And it's on a wedge right now. So I said it on the last Webby. I
Ascending
said
wedge, right? That's what it looks like.
the which one?
An ascending wedge, right? That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
That was
Ascending
called the
wedge,
pattern ascending wedge.
bullish bull flag.
Okay.
Yeah, right here, it's gonna break through. As soon as it breaks through this price, $2.26, you're gonna see it rally. You're gonna see it rally, bro, past $3. But yeah, I'm man, I'm waiting on everything right now, bro. I'm freaking excited. I'm excited. I've
Right.
been waiting on these last 3 months, and shit is going crazier than I even expected.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Is I mean, you got your analysis. You know where it's going. What sucks is getting that bread like ready. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Getting that money prepared. But shit, fuck that. I'm
Yeah.
gonna go and get put that.
You say, well, you're gonna go legit, or what'd you say?
Nah, I said I'm gonna put whatever money I can get just to fucking have something on there. I mean, I got
Hell
some, but
yeah.
I don't got enough.
Yeah. Yeah, cause yeah, bro, for real, whatever you can put on there will be a blessing later on. Cause even if it's like a 5x, 10x on your
Which one
money,
is that?
yeah, bread. What?
Those other ones that I see, the numbers on your chart where you have 007, 0014, is that for UBX?
Yeah, this is UBX.
Yeah,
So so right here on UBX, this is what I was explaining like earlier. If you put 4,000 where it's at right now at 0007, whenever it hits 0014, that's double your money. So you will be at 8K. So whenever it hits 0014, so whenever it hits right here, this next zone, right here, you are gonna have double whatever you invested. So 4K will turn to 8K. Whenever you hit the next zone at 28, so over here, then you would be looking at 16K. So your 4K would be at 16K once it hits this price over here. Whenever it hits 56, so whenever it hits up here, whenever it hits this price, you will be at 32K. So you'll be at 32,000 from your 4,000. And whenever it hits 0.1, so whenever it hits a penny, it'll be right here. Whenever it hits a penny, you will be at $64,000 with your $4,000 investment. And whenever it rallies and does a similar thing like XYO is doing, and it hits 4 cents all the way up to like 10 cents, you'll be at 250, a quarter of a million to $500,000. And what I was showing you is that XYO has already done that same exact thing. This XYO chart is from Coinbase. So of course it starts at 2 pennies. You cannot even see the price that it had before. You have to go to XYO versus Bitcoin. So on XYO versus Bitcoin, you can see that the highest price that it reached was in fact I think close to 10 cents already. So the highest price that it had reached before was close to 10 cents already. It went all the way back down to triple zero digits. So 0002, 0005, and then it started climbing up. I was lucky enough to get in at 0005. So whenever it got announced that it was going on Coinbase, it went from 0007 or so, 007, no, yeah, 0007, and then it broke to the double zeros, and it just freaking shot up from like it broke through a penny. This blue is a penny, but once we broke through the penny, we went all the way up to like 4 or 5 pennies. It was freaking insane, and that's exactly the math that I just gave you on UBX. This is the exact math that we're in on UBX right now. We're right here at the bottom on UBX. And this is how it could look like in the next couple of months. Crazy, 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 crazy. So in the next couple of months, a $4,000 investment could net you over $250,000. That is a bet that I am definitely willing to take because I did my research on the project. It's a really good project. It offers a lot of real use case scenario. It's not a meme coin. So it is actually, it has people
Shit,
backing it.
SYL got a bigger possibility on your return than the UBX rate.
XYO?
Yeah.
Well, XYO right now, I think we're gonna have a potential of hitting, I'm gonna say anywhere from 30 cents to $1. And that's a long range, but it's because it already went crazy. It's already crazy. It just got added to Coinbase, so it has a lot of room to go from here. But I mean, if we go anywhere from 50 cents to $1, if you invest right now at 3 pennies and it hits 30 cents, that's 10x your money. All right, so that's 10x your money if it goes to 30 cents. If it goes to 60 cents, that's 20x on your money. All right. And if it hits $1, that would be about 30x. So it'd be about 30x your money. So right now UBX is a bigger potential. But it's riskier because XYO is already on Coinbase. But that's where the gains are in the risk.
Yeah, right. What do you say XYO was that? I'm trying to look at it. Is that 3 cents?
Yeah, it's at 3 cents.
And then UBX was the said 0007, right?
Yep, 0007. Yeah.
07. Those are well, you just said right. XYO is on Coinbase.
Yeah, XYO is on Coinbase, so you could buy it right there, real easy, just chilling on it.
And
And
UBX is only on KuCoin, man.
yeah, and then once you get UBX, if you buy over 1 million, you are eligible to run a node, which is like what you run on Ethereum. If you have 33 Ethereum, you could run a node and get residual income. So on UBX, if you have 1 million of them, which right now is like $500 for like 1 million of them, you're eligible to run a node. You just have to send your money to UBKiri. So it's simple. I could help you with that también, but yeah, you gotta send it to UBKiri if you have over 1 million UBX and you're eligible to make residual UBKiri.
Shit. Yeah, we're gonna talk more, bro, because I'm willing to take that risk. Well, shit. I'm willing to take that. I'll make some money on those.
Yeah.
There's no need to help out the setup with the KuCoin. I don't know much on that, but Coinbase, if I buy right now, I'll get it. I could go bigger, both go broke. Fuck.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. A lot of people will be like, oh, but nah, I've been there, and it's like, fuck, man, I should have invested everything I had, bro. I should have sold the dog, sold the Xbox, sold everything, bro, and just invested it all last year.
Yeah,
But,
that's true.
so,
Stocks, you say you don't hold any, right?
what happened?
Stocks, you say you don't hold any, right?
Stocks, nah. I really don't like stocks because I bought I bought GameStop not GameStop, AMC when everything was going crazy, and I made a video. What is it? What is it under AMC?
Yeah.
What is it called on the chart?
Yeah, AMC.
Oh, it's called AMC.
Yeah.
I had it on here. Did I take it off?
I think you had it. I saw it. There it goes.
Yeah, I do have it on here already. Where is it? Let me see. Where's the Ace? GME. Uh,
I'm still
AMC.
holding that shit. AMC I got out of actually did decent. I got in at 8. I just put like $500, but I made me like 2 G's with it.
Bro, I freaking got out of this. Oh my God. Look at this.
Yeah, dude,
Wow.
don't leave
So
it.
I told it, what happened?
I fucked up leaving it too, but I don't regret it because I didn't make a loss. I got in like at $8, and then I got out like at 32. So I made a decent ends. I wish I would have stayed longer. Right now, I'll tell you what I am holding big on. I got BlackBerry. I got like 10K in BlackBerry,
BlackBerry? I'll check it out right now.
but I'm
But
down
this
on that
right here,
motherfucker.
shit, on this one, I went in at $8 and like 60 cents. And then it came down to like $4, bro. That was half of my bread. And man, tell me why I got out. I was
Yeah,
like, fuck this, I got out. Oh, dumb. And I even made a video about this. I was like, nah, it broke out, it's gonna retest and it's gonna freaking bail out. And I had a potential of it reaching $150, which was what the hype was saying, you know. Bro, are you serious,
yeah.
man? I put in a good little amount of money, bro. If I would have just left it, I would have made some good money. But it is what it is. AMC, I think, still has a little run up. I think that once we finish this wedge, we could possibly see another run up and hit 90 to $100. I think it could freaking do it.
Yeah, I'm hoping
We
for that run up
age.
because AMC and BlackBerry run together. So AMC is
Uh,
down, so BlackBerry. And I fucked up. I bought BlackBerry on the high. I bought it like at 18. I wish, like, I got FOMO. I FOMO, and I was stupid. I was like, I don't FOMO. And I saw it rising up. So my plan was to put in the money quick, let that bitch ride up, and then cash out real quick because I know it's gonna tank. But it tanked right before I bought. No, when I bought it and then it tanked. I was like, fuck, I didn't expect it to tank that soon. Like it tanked less than the day. That run up was only for like a day on BlackBerry. So now I'm just holding because I'm not gonna dollar cost average. I already put too much in that. I just want to like recover what I made, or at least make a little gains and then get out.
yeah.
That way I can invest in something better. Because I don't see BlackBerry has a better chance of surviving than AMC. AMC is gonna go bankrupt again eventually. Right now it's just like meme stuff. The only
Yeah,
way
it's a
AMC was,
squeeze.
yeah,
It's just the squeeze that's making it go up there because of the fundamentals on that one. That's straight fundamentals there. Because the big hedge funds, the big people, whales, they manipulated the market so much and they sold so much of fake. They sold more than they actually had. So they put in a bigger bet than they actually had. They didn't have enough money to hold that bet, but they were so confident in the bet that hey, no one's gonna come and bid against us. And then the little people came together, and all of the little people coming together, they became a bigger whale than them. They became bigger, you know what I'm saying, bigger holder than them.
they were getting fucked short in that stock.
Yeah. So whenever they couldn't, the buyers, the people, they won against the sellers, against the bears. They were the bears, we were the bulls. We won, and it took a while for the squeeze to, but it was a huge squeeze, so it had to stretch. It had to stretch like a freaking resortera, like a slingshot, and then pop,
Yeah,
out of there, out of there. So just right here, same thing.
right.
The squeeze, and then damn, this thing went from $5 to
Yep.
$28. Shit. AMC was double that, but that's still good.
BlackBerry, I'm hoping it just gets back to like 25, 28, and then I'm out because I got that shit at 18. So that's kind of what I'm hoping on. Like it hits like that it reaches back to that 25 level. or 28, then fuck it, I get out. I don't want to get involved in the Palantir. I don't know if you heard about that.
Uh, I haven't heard of it. Yeah,
It's
if it
like
goes back,
AI, it's AI technology.
what is it called?
Look like it might though by the party. Palantir. Ticker symbol is PLTR.
Hmm. Yeah, because anything that has to do with AI, I think it's gonna do good.
Yeah, it's the first
Oh,
AI technology like the you seen BlackBerry.
hmm. Yeah, if you see, if man, just this is just my, point of view on it. I could definitely be wrong, but yeah, if you see this thing go to like 15, 16 again, bro, you might just want to get out there and just call it a $2 loss because this is exactly what I see happening on it. We're gonna go right back up and it's gonna freaking shoot right back down. And you know, but that's just what I see on it. Yup, this right here.
Trying to kick me out or something like that. I don't
Oh,
like the pattern either. I mean, you know more about charts than I do, man. I'm still trying to learn that shit. Okay, I'll take a $2 loss or $2 per share loss.
yeah, yeah. If it rallies back up there, because what happened?
Yeah, it happened. I said I should go back to 18, but I don't see it happen.
Yeah, and low key, psychologically, I bet you that's what the market is expecting. Like that's what most people are expecting. They wanted to go back to like 18, 19, 20 because there's so much money trapped there. There's so much money trapped there. And and as it rallies back up, a lot of people are gonna start buying. They're gonna be like, oh, it's going to the moon again, and they're gonna start buying. So then it's gonna trap all of this money. All of this money it already has it trapped. So it has to go somewhere in the middle so that these people can't get out, and it traps these people now too. So that's why, yeah, definitely see it making a lower low somewhere around this area and then just dropping right back down from there. All of this money gets liquidated, and all of these people are just still still riding along for the ride, trying to get that bread. Ultimately, could it break through going up? I mean, yeah, it could. Uh, but I mean, I don't know, man. I don't really do stocks. I don't really do stocks, to be honest. I don't know what BlackBerry is doing. If you said they're working with some AI and they're because I thought BlackBerry was dead, but apparently a lot of people still
Oh,
use
yeah,
Black.
they're in cybersecurity. They're in cybersecurity. That's the only thing that I think might save their ass is they're able to,
Mm,
be legit on the cybersecurity. Now, Palantir,
yo,
they're the first. They're the first AI. Oh, well, why are we talking about Palantir? My bad. BlackBerry. Yeah, they're no longer a phone company. Their main focus is cybersecurity. That's the only reason why I got hopes for them. That's why I got out of AMC and fucked with them. I'm like, they might actually do something.
nah, I didn't know that. That's freaking yeah, that's good. Then that's bullish news. I think that they could actually, because yeah, I thought they were still like in phones. I'm like, I don't know anybody that owns a BlackBerry. But yeah, I mean, shit, if they're actually doing moves, then maybe they might be able to go back up to these numbers they had all the way back in 2011.
Right.
Very not likely, in my point of view. Very not likely. I think that I don't know about BlackBerry, but just from hearing BlackBerry, I don't know, man. As a trader, I can suggest you this. As a trader, looking at this chart, we're gonna go 15, 16, maybe 17. I will definitely get the money out around those prices because I have a 80% sureness that it's gonna rebound because it does the waves in threes. It does the three psychological waves. So it's gonna do a third one, and that third one, you don't want to be in it, you know. So might as well cash out up here, take $1, $2 loss or so, and then once it comes down here, if you really want to make some little bit of bread or make that $2, $3 loss back, then you could go in at the bottom price, which is $9, $10 is its floor price that it's reaching right now as support. So go right back in when you see it come down to $9, $10 price. It'll take a couple days, a couple weeks, as you can see here. So, you know, it'll reach this in a couple of weeks, and then in a couple more weeks, it'll come crashing back down. You'll just put your money right back in, and then you could ride the next wave, which will probably, if it's gonna break, it's gonna break on this last wave here. So, you know, if it is gonna break this, then you could go in, and if you see it coming back down, you could get out, and you're not risking it. You know what I'm saying? So you could get out still with a little bit of profit if you see this acting funny and it's not, it doesn't just do something like this, like a break.
I can be real with you, bro. If I get out at 16, I'm gonna get out not getting in that shit. I'm fuck that stuff. I'll fuck
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's
even though they're doing cybersecurity. Yeah, even though they're doing cybersecurity, like I really only got in because I was trying to make a quick buck, and it didn't work out. I got caught in that wave, and so that's really just, I was trying to make like a little quick double up, or even like 50% would have been fine. Cash out, but from those cryptos that you showed me, like if I can get out of that and throw that shit like in Cardano, because to be honest, Cardano's my baby. I don't know which one's your baby. Probably Ether, Poly. Mine's Cardano. I really feel, because I've been reading up on Charles Hawkinson, and I kind of like the dude. And I actually have his Twitter account, so I've been trying to see what he does. He has a shit ton of projects, so
yeah, I like Cardano a lot. It's like my third or fourth biggest holding, but my biggest holding is VeChain. That was the one I stacked up on the most. VeChain, bro. I got orders all over this shit. I got orders at 3 pennies is my lowest order.
I got VeChain on the Trust Wallet.
On the which one?
I've been looking at VeChain too. Fuck, I haven't kept up on it though. Yeah, bitch is coming back up.
Yeah, VeChain is gonna be huge, bro, because I went in the hardest on VeChain because of the partnerships that it has and because it gives me VeThor. So I already own VeThor, but just holding a bunch of VeChain already pays me VeThor. So I was like, bet it already gives you a residual, like a little piece of dividend. And VeChain is partnered up with Gucci, is partnered up with like Walmart, it's partnered up with a bunch of companies, major companies. It's solving a multi-trillion-dollar problem. So yeah, that's keeping it simple. There's so much more to it, but that's keeping it simple. It's solving a multi-trillion-dollar problem, and that's what those are the cryptos that
like, is it its own network, or is it a
no, VeChain is a what is it called? Well, yeah, it's its own network. It's not inside. It was with Ethereum, but then it bridged out and made its own network. And they're able to keep track of products across the. I'm trying to come up with this the supply chain.
Oh, there's the supply chain. Okay.
Yeah. So the freaking boat that got stuck on the canal, and it cost it cost them like $7 trillion those 2 weeks or something that it was stuck. Some crazy amount of number.
I remember about the Suez Canal.
Yeah, so that's the problem that VeChain is solving, which is just right then and there, they needed that canal to get clogged up to see how valuable VeChain's technology was. So other than that, Gucci and Prada and all of these big name brands, they lose millions of dollars, if not billions, for counterfeiting. With VeChain, they're gonna be able to add like a QR code and different technology like that, where they're gonna be able to certify that everything is legit. You're not gonna be able to counterfeit it anymore, which is major for the big companies. So VeChain is the technology they're using to make sure no one's counterfeiting their shit. Bro, VeChain is freaking huge, bro, huge. So I easily see VeChain going over $1. I definitely see it happening. Will it happen in this bull run? Who knows? But hey, freaking XRP in 2017 went from 2 pennies to $3.75 in a year. Less than a year.
Up there right now too. XRP.
Yep. So this started at, this started just as XRP too. You know, it's at like 2 pennies, just like XRP started. So like you said, bro, XRP's out of there. XRP's at like $1.20 right now.
Yeah, $1.20.
That's 100 times your money right there. 100 times your money already. So yeah, bro, I'm excited for VeChain. I think it's easily going to be 100x gainer as well. 100x on my money. I don't mind waiting 3 to 4 years, 5 years. I don't mind at all. I was impatient the first time around, 2016, 2017. I was impatient. I didn't know when to cash out. I didn't know what the heck was going on. But shit, fast forward 2021, we are freaking ready for this one.
Yeah, man, you got 5 years on your belt now, man. On the, doing the technicals and shit. I know that shit takes time.
Yeah, it really freaking does, bro. It really does, man. It's a lot, but I don't know. I love it. I love it.
I understand, shit. You make the right move, shit. Retire early, or I don't know if you're into real estate or whatever, because you could do both. That's actually what I'm trying to get.
Yeah, I'm definitely into it, man. I'm trying to find a group of people that want to start doing it with me. So, you know, I would get the whole plan set up. I just need them to show up, and we'll go to the bank. We'll see what we need to get the houses, the loans. We'll see everybody's credit. We'll see what we need to do with everybody's credit, and just fucking build it together as a squad. And
yo, Jay, I don't know, man. I'm interested, so let me know.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna work out a plan, bro, and I'm gonna put it out there for whoever wants to join. Because I was doing this for my nephews, and then I'm like, man, because they're not really interested, and it gets me like kind of irritated that like y'all don't even see the opportunity. Y'all are like 17, 18,
bro. You know where the money's at, like, so you can make money in single residential, but if you can get your hands on the duplex or triplex or fourplex, shit, think about it.
Yeah, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we just have to start somewhere, and the thing is starting, because I've owned little trailer homes. I bought little trailer homes, and that was a really, really good investment. Bro, that was a really good investment. I bought the trailer home for like $1,500 and the other one for like $2,500. In total, I spent like no more than $7,000 buying them and fixing them up and everything. And out of that $7,000 investment, I kept them for like 4 years, and I rented them out. I collected $750 of rents every month. Yeah. And then I ended up having to sell them because they bought out the whole trailer park, and the company didn't let me keep them there. So I had to sell them, and I ended up selling it for like $15,000. So, you know what I mean? Like, bro, that was one of the trailer homes for $15K. So, man, yeah, bro.
So like, whatever you were making monthly, dog.
Yeah. Yeah, they were like, nope, you gotta freaking sell it or get it out of here. And but the point is, like, I just went and did it. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I had never filled out a paperwork before in my life. I didn't know what the heck I needed to do. I never used a tool, you know. Hey, but we got it done, you know what I'm saying? So that's my point, man. I need people that are like that are like, shit, let's go. And we'll build a little team, and we'll get this shit done. Build freaking properties together. Cause I wanted to make a of crypto where we could invest in the crypto and build companies together as a DAO, as a decentralized autonomous organization. Nobody's the owner. We are all the owners, and we all vote for what are we doing with the money, all of that, right? But as a step one, building the community. So I think that building a team and then actually going and getting equity, we could. The potential is just out of there, man. I have so many multi-billion-dollar ideas. My head hurts sometimes. But we gotta just go out there.
We're gonna talk more, Jay, because I'm for real about that too. I'm trying to start some shit like that, and I have equities, so and that's what I'm working on. Once I get that, that's what I'm working on. Getting the home equity loan, HELOC.
Yeah.
Once I got that, dude, I'm shit. I'm gonna give you a holler, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for sure. Yeah, just let me know. I'm gonna go next week and get a quote as well as how much I could get. And man, we all come together. Each one got a little 100 pounds.
Sounds good. What would you say?
I was saying, you know, once we all get quoted how much we can get, if each one of us can get like minimum like 100 pack, bro, 100K, man, then we could really buy some big properties, do some big projects.
That sounds good to me. If you want, do you want me to text you through Telegram and I'll get your number personally? That way you can ask me directly text, or do you respond to Telegram?
I'm gonna send you my number through Telegram. You can hit me up on Telegram, but I don't know if you can see my phone. I got over like 150, 200 messages on shit. So like, just hit me up on Telegram. If I don't respond on Telegram, text me también, and I'll get back to you for sure. Just sometimes it takes me a couple hours or so because I got a lot of the tools are us and all that hitting me up.
Right.
But for sure, bro. If you need anything, just let me know. I'll send you the info right now.
Yeah, send me info and shit. We'll go from there, man.
For sure. All right, Brody.